Hey everybody, welcome back to another Jackson Jet Setting Resort review. Today we're checking out the Tropicana Las Vegas. It's located on the south side of the strip. It's actually a DoubleTree. It's part of the Hilton Honors Rewards program. So I wanted to check it out. It was super cheap on my dates, under $90 including resort fee. So I checked in. I did get a room upgrade to the club tower, which is in the very back of the resort and a little bit annoying to walk all the way through the casino to get to. This is the view that you see right now. You're walking past a number of the different restaurants, including the fancy steakhouse that's at the Tropicana, to get back to the club tower. And on either side, you'll see the pool, as well as some nice views of the other resorts around Las Vegas. Up ahead on the right is also the fitness center and spa. I did feel like the fitness center had a lot of natural light and overlooked the pool, if a little bit small, but it was pretty cool to see. Seemed like all new equipment and a little bit better shape than a lot of the other hotels on the strip that are actually a little bit more expensive than this one. Over on this side, there are also a lot of conference centers in case you're here for a convention. But let's head up to the room and check it out. So here's a look at what the hallways look like. Everything felt nice and new. I felt like the room itself was in good shape. Probably in need of a little bit of a refresh, especially the bathroom. Felt like that was a little bit old and tired, but overall, pretty happy with what the room looked like for what the price I paid was. I have stayed here in the past and been upgraded as a diamond member up to basically what is like a penthouse suite with a entire sauna and steam room and a hot tub in the main bedroom. So that kind of that 1980s classic Vegas feel. So definitely try and hope for one of those. If you're a diamond, I just feel like it's kind of a throwback to times gone by. But here's what the room looked like during my stay. So the view did overlook Las Vegas Airport. If you're into watching planes take off and land, Tropicana is a good one because it's one of the closest hotels to the airport. So now let's take a look at the pool complex. A lot of it was closed. It seems like they kind of had half of it roped off, definitely during the Sunday night stay. So I'm a little surprised on a weekend that would be closed off, but it is what it is. So the pool itself looked really nice. It seemed like everything was in pretty good shape. And then a lot of grounds here, a lot of room. So you have the club tower right there, and then you have some bungalow style rooms. And then looking out, walking back, there's just some cafes that didn't seem really open. A cool ceiling that is historic. I believe that's been left over since the hotel opened. Here's a look at some of the casino floor a little bit. Some more of the restaurants here. So as a diamond member, I did receive $30 for 2 people to use on the property, but only on the day of checkout. I only stayed here for one night. So I did use it at the steakhouse for some steak and eggs in the morning. Pretty good deal. Entertainment wise, there's a laugh factory here with a lot of comedians cycling through, so some good comedians come through here. And that's about it for the Tropicana. Not a ton going on here, but a really good value, especially if you do have diamond status with Hilton.